Hi, it's vegan personal trainer and nutritionist Paul from Hench Herbivore with my healthy, whole foods, quick and easy to make vegan cheese spread. Let me introduce you to the fellas. 140 grams of sunflower seeds. These need to be soaked. You can do it overnight if you want. If you're in a rush, you can do it for as little as 10 minutes, so it'll still work fine. 3 tablespoons nutritional yeast, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. We've gone for half a teaspoon of each. 1 teaspoon agar, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. To a blender, add 110 mils of water, the lemon juice, the seeds, nooch, and the spices. And now you just blend until smooth. Here's the lovely Gemma with her dainty fingers and flair for design to show you the next step. Cut some parchment paper to line a small bowl. Now we're going to add 80 mils of water to a pan. Add the agar, bring to the boil and then simmer, stirring continuously for 3 minutes. So pour this in with your mixture and just give it one final mix through. And then pop it in your bowl. Chef's privilege. Refrigerate for 1 hour. And now the best part of any recipe video, the taste test. You may notice we've added some cracked black pepper and herbs to the top. You can use whatever flavourings you feel. Perhaps we want to try smoked paprika in the next one, make a smoky one, or perhaps we'll do like garlic with fresh chives. Comment down below, what flavourings would you add? So we've got a roll nice and toasty. Let's have a bit more than that. Oh god damn! This is chock full of delicious flavours. It's also very creamy, and the best thing is, it's heart healthy. A lot of cheese spreads that have the coconut oil, high in the long chain triglycerides, which are, you know, they're known to give you heart disease. So eat as much as this as you want. Loads of vitamin E from the sunflower seeds. I love it. Now click this.